Good day, Nigerians. Good day, Africa. Solidarity forever. One love with better style. Today na for our papa, our grandfather, our great-grandfather, President Muhammadu Buhari, the president of Nigeria, the so-called Mr. Integrity, and the so-called Mr. No Nonsense, wey dey give us nonsense every day, wey don turn integrity to shame and disgrace. And this week we wan enter, so na enough for you, Buhari. I just like them, dey wait for you. I have been busy with other things, but Buhari, believe me, na you just get this week. Let's forget age aside, let's forget you being the president. Let's come to reality. Buhari, you contest 2007 wey you no win. You no go hustle, you no go find your WAEC certificate. You contest 2011 wey you no win. You no go find your certificate. You even contest 2003. You no go find your certificate. I don't know how they take do one wey you take win 2015. Certificate matter come out. Say you need to prove your eligibility, your quality before you become president. Una come dey give different excuse. They come dey lie for Nigerians. So that no fit just come out openly with the bad followers wey you get, wey dey make you dey behave anyhow. President Mugu Buhari. Okay, now let me ask you. Was there Katsina State in 1961? We had our independence 1960. When they take form Katsina State, there was no Katsina State, first of all, where they for issue, where WAEC for issue you this certificate now, or where you for write this exam. I not talk say Katsina State not there as an environment. Oh. There was no name. They will never name that state Katsina. Katsina never did before. And another one again, WAEC was founded 1952. How old were you that time, Buhari, when you can't go to write your WAEC for 1961? 1961 away from 1952 is just 9 years old, or 9 years. So they get WAEC 1952, you can go write WAEC 1961. For how old you dey? Buhari, first of all, you dey lie about this your age, when you say you be 74, abi you be 75. President Buhari, you don't pass. You are not noble, you are not Mr. Integrity with all these lies. And now, the testimonial or the testimony wey they bring come for 2015, not be the picture wey dey, na be the picture wey dey now, wey they bring come 2018 now as your certificate. No. Na 9 subjects, 9 course, now you write for the testimonial wey they bring come 2015. And your certificate wey they bring come now for 2018, na 7 course, na e dey. For that 2015, you get F9 for maths, for mathematics, which means say that result is disqualified. Any result wey you not carry distinction or wey not pass mathematics and English language, na fail. So Buhari, you first fail for that 2015. Now, the 2 course wey they miss for your certificate now, where they carry and go, because maths not dey now for this your certificate, and you get F9 for 2015. The picture wey dey this your certificate now, e old pass the one wey dey for the one they bring for 2015. And the 2 picture old pass person wey be 18 years or 20 years or even 25 years for 1961. Buhari, how your matter be? Now so you take be Mr. Incredible? Buhari? With all these things wey dey happen for this your regime, and with your grey hair, Buhari, you suppose just resign. Make you go relax for house. Make you manage this your small life wey remain. Make your mind for calm down. All this your cabinet, they try to frustrate you, they misuse you as you said they misuse all of us. Buhari, you are not Mr. Integrity. Now 1952 they find WAEC. You can't write am 1961. How old were you, President Buhari? Make we tell us the truth. So why WAEC now can't they use 2 pictures for 1 certificate or for 1 result sheet or for 2 different testimonials? WAEC una do well, oh. WAEC una do well. Ministry of Education una do well for the mago-mago and the wuru-wuru one and the join President Muhammadu Buhari they do for this country. Now so we wanted to get the way forward, abi. Now so I wanted to lead us. The new children of these days go to do exam and practice now. When I go to talk different things. Now we dey copy. Now on a footstep we dey take. President Muhammadu Buhari, I use God beg you, he never late. I use God beg you, he never late. You can still do the right thing. Every day people they die. Oh, now under your nose. Still see you will be Mr. Incredible now. See result matter, see result saga. You know if you just come out openly. President Muhammadu Buhari, I beg, no contest again. Nigerians don't want you. We don't want you. The people where they support you, they don't even like you, they don't like us. The people where they support you want to make Nigeria crumble. Africa unite. Nigerians be wise. Solidarity forever. One love with better style.